Hello friends, welcome back. Today's topic is the very important for the productivity. This is the supporting welding tool. Now how to calculate welding current and voltage. Friend, basically this is the major concerns of any production industries and for any newcomers. The experienced persons set voltage and current on the based of experience. But today we learn how to calculate welding current and voltage, how to think about the voltage and current, and how to adjust the welding speed. There are the 3 points covered in this video. Come to next slides. First points, the welding condition setting process. The welding condition setting process, there are 3 factors of welding condition. Friends, we already discussed earlier. First of all, welding current, welding voltage, and welding speed. Best speed measure in two systems, one is the centimeter per minute or mm per seconds. Mostly we are taking centimeter per minute. So what is the welding current? So when you increase welding currents, the wire feeding speed depends on welding currents, and welding voltage, the energy of melting wire. So, and welding speed decided by the takt time and required quality. Friends, if you want to increase material deposition, then increase current. If you want to melt the material properly, the increase voltage, and welding speed as per your requirements. If you need a thin welding, then speed is high. If your requirement is the thick welding, then speed is slow. Here are some calculations. There are the CO2. If you are using the CO2 gas and wire 1.2 mm dia, then 200 amperes and 6.3 meter per minute and 300 ampere 9.2 meter per minute. There are the two things here, and the results of the weldings shown below. The set welding condition by the harmonizing thickness of the work, shape, and 3 factors A, B, speed. The control welding margin, there are the here both welding currents there are the formula, and how to check ki this tip is changed or sorry. Okay friends, just see here. The first tip is in OK condition and second tip is in change condition. The contact points, if contact point shifted, then tip need to change. Of welding condition settings process, the 3 factors of the welding condition. One, current adjustment, voltage adjustment. So what is the effect of current adjustments? What is the effect on welding when you are increasing the current or decreasing the currents? So here are the basically two tables, and speed is the as per your requirements. So two tables, one the voltage table and one is the current table. The welding currents, when you down the welding currents, then shallow penetration, narrow bead, and reinforcement of weld, this is the low, because when you decrease the welding currents, then wire deposition rate decreases with respect to currents. When you are increasing the currents, then penetration deep, bead width wide, and reinforcement high. There are the 3 images below. You try to understand with the help of these images. And what is the voltage adjustments? So when voltage is down, then penetration is deep, bead is narrow, and reinforcement is high. If you study carefully, then voltage and current performance in the sense of welding, the vice versa. It means when you are increasing the voltage, then penetration is shallow, bead is wide, and reinforcement is low. So this is the basic of the weldings. If you understand this topic, then you do welding setting with any conditions. The arc length basically in case of current up and voltage also up to keep the balance of the wire feeding amount of the melting energy. When there are the two conditions. When current is greater than voltage, the arc length becomes shorter as shown in the image, and when current less than voltage, then arc length bigger. Welding condition setting process, we are discussing about the welding condition setting process. The three factor adjustment of the welding we already discussed from start. The welding speed centimeter per minute adjustments. So what is the effect of welding speed? When you decrease the welding speed, then penetration is deep, bead is wide, and reinforcement is high. Same as well as previous. If you increase the welding speed, then penetration is shallow, bead width narrow, reinforcement of weld is low. It means if the welding speed characteristics similar to welding current. A speed up, the keep arc shorter is points. There are the image where when a speed is slow and when a speed is fast. If you use the high speed of welding, then welding defects may occur. The deep penetration adjustment. There are the key points of this videos. This is the very important. There are the three sections: 1, 2, and 3. The deep penetration adjustments. We are discussing about the voltage, currents, and the speed. But welding in the sense of welding characteristics, I mean penetration, bead, and speed adjustments. If you adjust penetration, for deep penetration, welding current up, welding speed down, and welding voltage down. Remember, I repeat once again, for deep penetration, welding current up, welding speed down, welding voltage down. For wide bead adjustment, welding current up, welding speed down, and welding voltage up. A speed up adjustment, the welding current up and welding voltage up. And use downslope attention penetration with wide. So friends, I hope this video is the very useful for welding